Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Movement Mortgage account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type movement.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Movement Mortgage. You can scroll down and look at all the facilities provided by this Movement Mortgage, or you can also scroll over the snap bar to look at all the features. But for now, we simply want to log in, so let's begin. On the snap bar, there's this customer section right here, simply hover over it. And here's something like Pay My Mortgage. Simply click on this arrow button right here. Now a new page will pop up. Now you can either log in or sign up, it's completely up to you. But in our case, we are going to log in, so I'm going to click on this login button right here. A new tab will open up asking you to enter your credentials, that is your username or password. In case you forgot any one of them, here are the buttons right here that say forgot username, forgot password. Simply click on them and follow the prompts. And you will be able to regain access to your account once again. Now let's fill in the credentials. Once everything's okay, simply hit on this I agree button right here and click on login. That way, you will be able to log in to your Movement Mortgage account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we log in to Movement Mortgage. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.